drives people absolutely nuts. Why do billionaires, and you can see their portfolio values here, have so few stocks? Why don't they have the hundreds that you've been led to believe you should own through fund managers who themselves will have, on average, in each fund between 50 to 100 stocks? So if you've got your money with 5 fund managers, you'll probably end up having, allowing for overlap, over 200 stocks indirectly in your portfolio. Well, in actual fact, and it's often been commented upon, it's not that you've got to avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. It's fine to put your eggs in one basket and watch the basket. And of course, these professionals have people to do that for them, which is why they have fewer stocks. The other reason they have fewer stocks is because if you can pick quality companies, you don't need to diversify away your ignorance. If you can pick good quality companies based on valuation, growth, income, cash flow, momentum, consistency of performance, low volatility, outperformance of the market, those factors, those criteria, which basically is the essence of why you would look at news flow around a company and its balance sheet, its profit and loss account, and its cash flow statements, then you don't need to have lots and lots of companies, obviously. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why it becomes incredibly controversial, and it's a great one to get social media comment on, because people can't help themselves trying to contradict you when they haven't actually looked at the hard data and evidence.